Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am taking the Versatile Styling Challenge featuring SHEIN Wigs. I just want to share with you how affordable and amazing these wigs are that I got from SHEIN. We're going to start with the first wig. This is how this wig comes packaged. I'm so excited about this one because this one, I'm going to call this one my shopping wig. This wig is a hat wig. It's 12 inches. Baseball cap wig with curly synthetic hair extensions. It has an adjustable black baseball hat. Comes in light brown as well as a dark brown. The one that you will see me wearing shortly is the light brown. No adjustable bands or combs inside of this wig. What I love about this wig and the wigs I'll be sharing today, they are no fuss. You can put it on and head out the door. Easy to wear. Now I'm just playing around with this wig, adjusting it to my head. You could easily pull this wig, the hair of this wig, back into a ponytail if you want, or wear it loose. I've also pushed a little bit of the hair on each side behind my ears, just to adjust it to my liking. I absolutely love it. And again, I can see myself going out and about, running errands and shopping in this wig. Very, very casual. Now let's check out the next wig. Now if you want a wig that looks natural, this one is for you. This is a short, curly, synthetic wig with bangs. This one here has combs as well as the adjustable band in the back. It comes in several colors. You have 6 to choose from, and this one here is the multicolor. I love this wig because it's easy just to slip on. I did have to cut it just a little bit to match my face in the front. But let me tell you, I definitely recommend this wig. The bangs in the front, I like to wear a side bang, not a full bang, but I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the curls, love the 12-inch length, and I love the color. The very last wig is a black highlight wig. It's dark brown and it has a mixed blonde to it, like highlights in the front of blonde. This is a short wavy bob wig, loose synthetic. It has a middle part to it too. It's shoulder length, which is 16 inches in length. This wig has no combs, but it has the adjustable band. I was really excited and surprised when I took this wig out of the bag because it looks very expensive. It's a very pretty wig. I am loving her. Yes, I am. As you can see, with all three of these wigs that I'm wearing, they are very natural, they're beautiful, and they all show personality, right? They are very comfortable and easy to wear. Definitely, all three are must-haves. In addition, I can feel that its quality is also very good. Although the price is very cheap, it feels very soft to the touch. I highly recommend that you try these wigs. Information about SHEIN and these 3 amazing wigs will be listed in my description box down below, as well as my discount code WIGKIMBER for all of my blessed family members. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click the bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here on A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. If you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.